the super duper feature update.
It's super duper duper ooper. I can't believe it's actually here. Interactive guides, step-by-step instructions on any URL, any application, any website, on the internet. You can now push. And this is awesome for RevOps managers. If you're a HubSpot Solutions partner, or if you're a super partner delivering services, this ain't just a step-by-step guide. This is something you do one time, you can put it in a package, and you can replicate and send it to one-to-many mass amount. This is already baked into full white label. This is also setting up Journeys, our LMS product, but where you'll be able to use these same interactive guides as verification paths for users. Look, I'm pumped about this. Let me show you how guides works, or how we call it tours inside Super. Take it away. The man, the legend, Super Dave. Adios.
What's up, y'all? Super Dave here with a feature update. This is in-app guidance. So instead of having to follow along a map on the side of your screen, just like the text-based stuff, you get to do that, but it'll also guide you through the tours individually. So to show you an example here, just learn how to create a LinkedIn poll. This will navigate us to the right spot. Then it's going to highlight it. You can see it over here, but also now appears on the screen as well. It'll walk you through various buttons that you click or text that you type. In this case, you'll see kind of both. So how do I commute to work? Let's do that one. Get typing, it'll go to the next one. It'll kind of automatically advance in the typing. Once you stop typing, it'll advance to the next step. Click steps, pretty obvious. Let's go public transportation. Spell correctly this time. And then let's see, what is this? I'm gonna walk for my other one and then click done. And there, my tour is complete. I can run it again. I can end my tour, but just a real quick example to kind of show you what you can do and how it kind of walks you through stuff. A couple of things to note is this is not necessarily backwards compatible. So a lot of your old maps are probably not going to work. So we've done in this new version is it's going to have an updated recorder. So they'll be able to do a little more advanced recordings to make sure we can capture all those steps, and a couple of those kind of weird sites with weird elements. We can capture that too. So I'm excited to see what everyone does with this, but we're excited to get it out there. So, all right, guys, stay super.